BMW I have right here finally had 78,000 miles on it. So now it comes to a point. Is I expecting something? No, because everything have done to it had been done already before it hit to get a chance to start acting weird. So the moment I realize that something is wrong with it, I get it instantly fixed. Because I don't want no high ass payment when it comes to BMW. Because if you don't fix that one problem on that car, bro, there's a lot more things that are gonna be coming with it. Because they didn't fix that one problem. Because it can be a spark plug, and then all of a sudden, like something else in that car start functioning, bro. It's just stupid stuff. But so far, the car have been clean, nice. Look, check this out. The car been sitting perfectly well. Still sitting perfectly. The lip's still clean. The bumper's still clean. The car's still clean. Except the inside. I ain't get a chance to clean the inside. It's way too cold for all that, buddy. But yeah, everything clean. For some of y'all don't realize that if the engine light is on half the time, like mine is right now, then let me help you out for a second. The engine light not on half the time, bro, is because this tune thing right here. See that? My thing is tuned. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. My thing is tuned. It's tuned. Because of that reason, I keep forgetting to plug it out. That's what it say on the tablet. So I don't know what's going on, but there's nothing wrong with the car, and it's weird. It's pop up. It's first it will say that in a sensor, and even if you place the sensor, it still pop up. It will say this. And it's like leading me to a point like, I know it's that for sure. Nothing wrong with the car. Otherwise, it would have been more problem than it is. Some of y'all don't know it is a competition. Yes, I got the seatbelt right here. And so far the car's still looking clean. Yeah, I do know I gotta add the competition emblem right here. But some people doesn't, some people do. To me, I like to let it be a surprise. Some people don't think it is. I can't care less. I know it is because the damn wheels and the seatbelt and the freaking seats in the car. But so far the car been pretty set. I like it. So this is my update for 78,000 miles in the car. So still living great, still doing great. Do I think it's still a thing where people should get the F82 or F80? Yes, only because it's just a car that everyone wished they had when they was kids, right? And it's like I don't know how to explain it. I would still get this over a G. And it's sad to say I would definitely get this over a G. And that's 100% reason why, because this car still look nicer than a G. It's like, damn, it's hard to explain, bro. Like, I don't know about y'all, but if I had a vote for a BMW, I definitely would pick the F. But if I gotta pick the G, I would say because of new features inside of it. That's it. That's probably the only reason. Otherwise, the car still right here, still looking great. Right here, like it just fucking. That's the only problem. That's the only problem, dude. That's the only problem happening. Yeah. So far, so good with the car, though. Car still looking great. Still looking great right here. Car looks still great. I think the F still look better, bro. I don't want to make this video more longer than it is, bro. But so far, the car's still doing great. Still doing good. They're running by 800 horsepower still, tuned. A lot of features does to it. Hybrid turbo, exhaust's been different. Bro, I got a lot of stuff. I gotta post a list. I haven't been posting on this channel for a minute just because, dude, I've been grinding, dude. Like literally, I've been grinding my ass off. Been working, doing this, doing that. There's a lot of things I have been doing. I haven't really been focused on doing the stuff I need to be doing with this car. I got another car though, but I guess that's next time video. So I guess I'll see y'all next time, man. Be breezy. It's your boy Q. I guess we back on this channel. Peace out.